implemented pa naman after the operation of MRT-7 from North Avenue to Lagro. Yun lang muna mag-iba. Tapos yung susunod doon is Caloocan Line. So yung San Jose del Monte is maybe 2 years later. So pinag-aaralan natin mabuti kung i-realign. Pero kasi meron ng approved alignment. I know. It will cost another study, baka ma-delay pa kung i-realign. Pero mag-aaralan mabuti.
Sir, wala siyang impact dun sa current na parang yung target natin to start the partial operation? Wala. Kasi yung partial operations naman natin will be from North Avenue to Lagro. In fact, I was there last week. Tinignan namin yung depot and so far mukhang on time naman yung construction.
Sir, kung i-realign natin, sir, mga ilang years yung delay natin?
Siguro hindi naman masyado rin kasi hindi pa naman nag-start yung construction mo. Siguro ang magbabago tayo kasi kung i-realign natin, kakaroon ng change in cost, change in scope, babalik tayo sa kanila.
Sir, are we still on track for the MRT-7?
Yes. As far as North Avenue to Lagro operation is concerned, we're on track.
What causes the delay?
Wala namang delay eh. Ang madidelay kung ililipat natin yung station sa San Jose del Monte, which is wala pa namang decision. Yun naman mag-operation siguro after 2 years, no? As scheduled.
Okay lang, bagong line ba yung sa Luzon Economic Corridor? Yung Subic, Clark, Manila, Batangas?
Yes. Kasi ang approved line lang natin ay Subic to Clark. But we will extend it to Manila and then to Batangas.
One line na.
One line. No?
So who will be doing the master plan?
Actually, we will be preparing a new feasibility study. No? We're in the process of procuring the consultant who will prepare the feasibility study. No? So hopefully in a few weeks or a few months, we will start the procurement na nung gagawa ng feasibility study pa lang.
Sir, may guidelines na ba for the PUB apprehension? PUB apprehension and consolidated units.
May guideline continuous naman yan. No? Yung panguhuli ng mga kulorong, no? Continuous yan. So, pag hindi nag-consolidate, na-consider yung kulorong yan.
There's no new guidelines.
We also have with us from the Department of Information and Communications Technology, Undersecretary Jeffrey Ian and for the Department of Energy, we have Assistant Secretary Mario Marasigan. And to moderate this session, we have with us today the Global Head of Realist Assets Group for Standard Chartered Bank, Mr. Shikhar Shaili. Ladies and gentlemen, the third panel.